Hello everyone, myself Abhay Chandra, and as per the spirit of channel, does stuff. I'm trying something new. Although I should have done started this seriously earlier. My investment, so basically investment, अच्छे से. So the journey of me seriously for the final time learning investment, not just like randomly. Like अब तक मैं ऐसे randomly म्यूचुअल फंड्स या कुछ स्टॉक्स करे थे तो उसमें लाइक कितना 500-600 रुपए का ही मेरा फ़ायदा हुआ ऑन द कैपिटल ऑफ 30,000 समथिंग. So I have removed, extracted all of those, and I want to start from zero again. So recently I found out that like found out kya, like my mother had been saving some cash, and like she accumulated like 2 lakhs worth of cash. Then I decided that like keeping cash that is not that much, like we already have some reserves, so why not like I borrow 1 lakh from her and invest that and like try to grow it. So I got those 1 lakh from this. I deposited in the bank account, and आई जस्ट हैड अ आइडिया कि चलो ट्राई करते क्लॉड को डालें कि डू सम रिसर्च एंड टेल मी हाउ शुड आई इन्वेस्ट. So let's see what it has outputted. So this is the output on the right which you see that Claude has given. Let's go through this, and yeah, I want to learn. And अभी मेरे इंटर्न के भी पैसे आएंगे, 1,20,000 अप्रॉक्स रुपीज़. I'll also invest those. So yeah, I want to use this series to learn how to invest, and yeah, invest basically. So what it is saying is that well, destroyer is it's you. Average retailer loses money. Behavioral mistakes cost Indian investors 3 to 5% per year. Damn. Getting the foundations right. Emergency fund रखो. ठीक है. I have that. No high interest depth. There is none. And define your goals. This matters because it determines your entire strategy. Short term goals, no, I am thinking of long term. Yeah. So how to split 1 lakh rupees assuming long term. Indian index funds, okay. Nifty 50, core lowest cost beats 85% of active large cap managers over 5 years, okay. अच्छा, आई ऑल्सो आस्क्ड इट कि बाहर के मार्केट्स का भी बताओ कि शायद आई एक्सप्लोर दैट. सो इट हैज़ गिवन मी दैट ऑल्सो. डॉलर अप्रिसिएशन के यूएस मार्केट एक्सपोजर इंड मनी, ओके. Hedge against rupees. Then mid cap to small cap mutual funds, more volatile, higher ceiling. Digital gold, sovereign gold bonds, yes, I have heard this also. Sovereign gold bonds pay 2.5% interest. Gold appreciation, okay. And liquid fund, ठीक है, वो तो है. क्रिप्टो नहीं करना, आईपीओ नहीं करना फॉर नाउ. लिको बिकॉज आई एम अ बिगिनर राइट नाउ. And no individual stocks until you have read at least 5 annual reports, understand PE, ROE, debt ratios, okay. So yeah, index funds तो I have also heard कि इंडिया का इकोनॉमिक ग्रो होने ही वाला है, तो जो टॉप 5 कंपनीज हैं उनका भी रेवेन्यू ग्रो होने ही वाला है, तो दैट स्टॉक इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू ग्रो. सेम फॉर म्यूचुअल फंड्स. उनका तो डेली का काम ही है कि अच्छा वो पोर्टफोलियो बनाना. गोल्ड इज़ एनीवेज सेफ. नाइस. अच्छा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया एक्चुअली. PPF, डायरेक्ट स्टॉक्स, NPS. अच्छा, अब ये ग्लोबल का इसने क्या बताया है. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट अप टू 50-100,000 अब्रॉड पर ईयर. सिंपलेस्ट US एक्सपोजर. फाइंड मोतीलाल ओसवाल, ओके. नाइस. ज़ीरो प्लेटफॉर्म फी. US conversion at market rate. Gift City, okay. सो बेसिकली इट इज़ सेइंग कि अभी इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक्स ना खरीदे, यू कैन बाय ऐसे पोर्टफोलियो जो एक्सपर्ट्स मैनेज करते हैं. टैक्स ऑन US इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, ओके. US डिविडेंड स्टॉक्स, ओके ओके. 1 lakh today becomes 3 lakhs in 30 years. Now imagine you winning. Mm, yeah, basically the core of investing is that you have to stay. ऐसा नहीं कि 5-10 साल में you expect high returns. You have to stay, you have to compound it. Compounding is exponential. It is far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price. Nice. Okay. Investing is not about beating others, it is about controlling yourself at your own game. The stock market is a device for transferring money from impatient to patient. Damn, this is so cool. Basically, in तीनों का है gist की you have to be patient, you have to control your own regulate emotions while investing, informed decisions invest करना है, or mistakes following social media, fuck that, panic selling, okay, I can control that, future and options, no bro, no, over diversification भी नहीं. Nice, nice, nice. So right now I'll use Grow. I'm using Grow. Maybe later on I'll explore the other platforms. Yeah, so I actually asked it कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ सीखने के लिए, तो उसने ये बोला है साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मनी. लेट्स टॉक मनी. ओके. Nice, nice. I have this book, Psychology of Money. I'll start reading it. Nifty 50 direct index fund. Yeah. Okay, so I guess that's it. मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर. So again, this is just a diary for me. I'm not farming for views and all, just to keep me accountable. And yeah, although I haven't been accountable on that Japanese journey, but let's see. ठीक है. Bye bye.